How to check Venmo balance. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To check your Venmo balance, firstly you need to make sure that your Venmo is up to date. You can easily check out for the update in your Play Store or App Store. Once you have launched your Venmo, firstly you need to tap on the three-light icon that is in your top left corner. From the list of options, you need to select on the option of Settings. Tap on the Settings option. Then, you need to tap on the payment method that is at the top. Don't worry, we will not be doing any of the payments here. So to check the Venmo balance, you actually have to check out your payment method as it is not displayed in the home page of Venmo. When you tap on your payment method, with the option of Add Bank or Card at the top, you will see your Venmo balance. Currently, I have 0 as I recently installed this application. You will find your Venmo balance right at the very top of your payment method. Now, once you have checked it, you will know if you have enough balance to transfer it or to purchase anything that you want to. Isn't that simple? That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.